Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at Microsoft Edge's new Chromium based browser, and this is pretty much what it's going to be built on the same foundation as like the Google Chrome browser is going to be. They're reinventing it a little bit. It's supposed to do some Chrome extensions, and they did take out some Google services, and they added dark mode and stuff like that. So actually, let's go see what's going on. So right when you download it, you'll see in here down in the corner it says developer. So pretty much they're going to be releasing updates every single day. So this one we're at 4.9 today, so that's the update for it right now. Let's just dive into it together. So this is right when you boot it up. This is what it looks like. You can do start with your data, so it looks like you can take bookmarks, everything, just like any other browser. You can start from scratch. I'm going to do start from scratch right here. In this page, it looks like there's a bunch of different tabs you can choose for the page settings. You can go informative, focused. It looks like it's a little bit more streamlined. Let's see. I kind of like the first one. That looks pretty nice. But this one looks like it's actually informative. But let's see if it actually is. All right, so we can go down. So this is the new front page. Kind of looks like a little bit different. It's a much nicer design. So let's see. So here goes Edge Developer Channel. I do know that they took out a bunch of Google-based services in this browser. So this is supposed to work with the Google Chrome extensions. Okay, so we're at the Google Chrome store. Let's go to the Dark Reader extension. This one's pretty cool. It actually makes every single website you have in a dark mode. So let's see if we can do that. Let's see if I can just go ahead and click it up, open, and it'll do it for me. Okay, so it does look like it's asking me right here to allow extensions from other stores. Unverified. Okay, so just pretty much give me a little warning. It's like, well, it might not work as well. So let's see. If I allow this, let's see. Oh. Okay, so once you click that, then now you can have your Chrome extensions. And you can see up here it says you can now add extensions from the Chrome Web Store up here. Wow, it's Microsoft Edge. So let's add this one and see how well it works. Okay, so you can see in the corner here, it does have the same exact, this is exactly what it looks like in the other browser. You have dark light. Oh, wow. Okay, so let me show you guys actually what this is. This is pretty cool. Okay, so now you can see when you turn it off, it makes a dark mode for every website you go to. So if I want to search LapFix and go here, this makes it a dark mode. See that? It's pretty cool. And if you want to undo it, you can just go up here, Dark Reader. Anyways, that's one extension there. So let's go into other settings. Now let's see if there's anything different. Okay, so here's the two browsers side by side. We're just going to be doing a quick little comparison. I'm not going to get too into it. I'm just going to show you kind of what they're showing here. Alright, so it looks like here's the regular settings. You can import. And appearance looks like it's below here, so they put it all in one tab there. Okay, so here's the appearance of both. There's supposed to be a dark mode somewhere. I do need to look for that one. Maybe you can go into the theme store. We'll go check that out in a little bit, see if we can go to the theme store. So here's the appearance setting next to each other. Let's see if there's a startup. On startup. Okay, so they both have on startup. You can see it's very similar. Now this one mixes in privacy with the startup, and you can kind of do it. That's on the next page. There you go. It's very similar. So it looks like they put more on the one page that Google does, and then looks like the Edge has given like little sections for each one. So they have the downloads too. Downloads. It's a little bit more simplified, but then you can see, look, it says languages, downloads, printing, accessibility. So downloads, here's languages, which is the same, and then printing, which is the same, managed printers. And system, so there's a system one here too. You see it's very similar, it looks almost the same. Yep, so that's kind of a little quick comparison. I do want to try one more thing to see if we can make the customizations of what the page actually looks like. So if I go to the Chrome store again, oops, I got my dark mode. That's pretty cool, huh? Let's see if we can do themes. I'm really curious if I can do just like, let's see if I just want to do this. Okay, I'm going to do quick black. Errors occurred. Okay. Let's reload the page. Let's see if that does it. Nope. Okay. So the themes, it doesn't look like it's... Let me try another one. Okay, so the themes, it doesn't look like it's doing that as of right now. Again, this is going to be updated every single day. So let's see how far it goes and what's coming next. But anyways, that's a quick look at the new Chromium based browser for Microsoft Edge. It is pretty cool and it will be changing every day. So whatever features you see today, it might not be there tomorrow. This is even before beta. So this is the developer one to look at. We did see you can add regular extensions. You can't do themes as of 4/9 2019 today, but yeah, so that's just a quick look. Please, if you have any other questions or if you even see anything else pretty cool, just give us a comment down there. Please like the video, subscribe for more content. We're gonna be trying to push a little bit more on just news, what's going on, and some software, and of course we always do hardware. So yep, thanks for watching, and you guys have a good one.